if you want to enable multiple users on a Nothing Phone 3A, then what you can do is go to Settings, scroll all the way down and choose System. And then over here we have Users. So if you go over here, you should be able to allow multiple users. And after that, you can add a new user. You can also add a guest account as well. And you can also add users from lock screen, and you can also allow guests to make phone calls too. So if you decide to add new users, you can go over here, and here we have the information about the process of creating a new user. And here we can read that each user has their own space, which they can customize with apps, wallpaper, and so on. Users can also adjust device settings like Wi-Fi that affect everyone. And when you add a new user, that person needs to set up their space as well. So you'll just go through the initial configuration again. And if you choose to go next, then of course you will have the option to set up the photo, the username, and so on. And that is essentially it. I believe we should be able, so if you want to, for example, change the user later on, then you can go to Quick Settings or the Control Center. And over here, in the bottom right corner next to Settings, we have the selection for the user. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!